Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
You'll begin by powering on the Pixel and inserting your SIM or activating eSIM. This gets cellular ready. Once on, plug in briefly and connect to Wi-Fi so system updates download quickly. Sign in with your Google account now to restore contacts and settings. This saves time later. Make sure to accept basic permissions when prompted so essential services run. Once done, the phone will check for updates and offer data transfer options. Choose Transfer if you want old data moved over. Next, transfer your data using Quick Switch or Restore from your Google Backup. This copies apps, messages, and photos so you keep continuity. After that, set a secure screen lock, PIN or pattern, and enroll fingerprint or face unlock for fast access. While doing this, enable location and backup under settings so maps and photos sync reliably. Make sure you grant permissions only to apps you trust. Once these steps complete, tweak notification and display preferences to match how you use the phone. To finish, open the Play Store and update all apps, then check settings for any remaining system updates. Up-to-date software improves stability. Set up Google Assistant and add payment methods to Wallet for quick purchases, then personalize the home screen and gestures to speed daily use. If something goes wrong, reboot the Pixel first. If problems persist, verify Wi-Fi and SIM connectivity, reset network settings, and as a last resort, perform a factory reset. That single trouble.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.